Hi kids. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Let's learn colors name: red, blue, orange, green, sky blue, black, yellow, brown, pink, and purple color. A for apple. B for balloon. C for car. D for door. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for igloo. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for panda. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,